Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin update. This is Friday 11 of November and Bitcoin is trading at $17,312. People are getting a little bit bullish again that this was your bottom potentially and you're trying to move up. No, it's not your bottom. I mean, come on, it takes more than this to make a bottom. By the way, it takes a lot of hard work to print a bottom. It doesn't just work in 1 or 3 hours. And then again, I can be wrong about that, but at least for now, I don't think that's your bottom, because number one, if I go to Google right there, we still need to go step by step, and just for beginner purposes, again, this one always prints out, and it's known as the 3 black rows. So all you're looking for Bitcoin is this following scenario where you have those 3 red candles and some greens and then move down. That's what I'm expecting from Bitcoin, because I want to zoom in and tell you why exactly. So you can see that this was your first red candle right there. You had your second candle right here and your third red candle right there. Just was a little bit of a green and then go and continue even lower. So basically, it doesn't really stop there, because if I go into the 4-hour time frame as well, and I'm going to zoom out of the 4-hour time frame, it's another support and resistance trading as well. So yeah, zooming out like this, so you can see that that was your lowest point back in June, and that was 17,600. So if I do bring in the trend line and I draw in the trend line just like that, you just made a bearish retest. Okay, so this is known as a bearish retest because you can see that you have that support right there. You had some few support there, support wicks there. You broke down and you're making just a bearish retest, and you're looking to drop even lower. So my take is still that Bitcoin is looking to come down to 14,000 sooner rather than later. So let's talk about the bullish scenario, by the way, because if the bulls step in, and you never know, you still need to pay attention to the other side as well, not be biased on any direction. So it's all about confirmation, waiting, and confirmation. Patience is required in this game. No patience, no money. So for me, the best scenario would be for Bitcoin to actually still go above 23,000 at least, for us to try to see to try to get into the conversation of going to $26,000. So if something like this happens, we could even say that was a bottom. Okay, so let's see what happens. But my personal take is that there are technical targets due to the monthly bear flag that I told you. 8,000 is still in the play, 14,000 is in the play as being the reversal wave. I'm not buying into the bullcrap of people saying that this is the bottom just yet. So no, personally, to me, it's not. And if you look at the EMAs as well, you're being restricted down at the EMAs. You can see that it's being hard to even cross this 10 and the 20 EMA, and it seems like you're really trying to move down here. You can actually make a bounce here, try to move up again and try to catch up with the EMAs again to the 55, make a little bit of a bounce back up to 15,000 or 16,000, and continue all the way down to 9,000. So it's going to actually stay in this zone potentially for the next few maybe days or weeks, if you want to say, because it loves to make a lot of consolidation. The previous consolidation took like a whopping 3 months before we start to move down like this. So yeah, it's pretty simple, straightforward. Break down, make a bearish retest, get rejected, continue lower, come to $14,000, and then we're going to see what happens. Can you go lower? You could go lower, don't bottom fish, wait for a proper reversal waves or reversal candles or reversal chart patterns like an inverse head and shoulder or a rising wedge. And that's pretty much it for this update right now on Bitcoin. Let's see what happens. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.